Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Adventure of the Seas. Now this particular category is an ultra spacious ocean view. It looks out the front of the ship. I did want to point out that there are quite a few of them on the ship here. They're all slightly differently configured, and that's because they really work around how the ship is spaced as you go up and down on the different decks, but you can see that on the deck plan as well. Let me show you what the room is all about. Now what this really is a family room. It can hold up to 6 passengers. As you walk in the door, you're gonna have your do not disturb and makeup room magnet. So you see that right there. You'll just put it on the outside of the door to communicate with your cabin steward. You also have your breakfast menu. So if you wanna have breakfast delivered at a certain time from room service, you can just mark that right on there, put it outside the night before, and they'll have it delivered, especially if you're having a shore excursion or something in the morning that you need to have an appointment for. Now just behind me, you're gonna find the first part of the storage. Now we're in the main living room area right now. So those who would be staying in this room, this would be the main storage for them. You've got hanging storage up above. You've got shelves up and down here, a little bit more hanging storage right here that pulls down. And then you've got your life jackets down below and a little bit of storage up above. So as we continue along, you're gonna have a writing desk right here. So you have your mini fridge just underneath, flat panel TV. You've got your safe tucked just in here, perfect for passports and wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop, and a little bit more storage up above. Now let's check out the bathroom. As you head on in, you'll see that it's very similar to all the bathrooms on board the ship for the balconies and below. So the shower here, I fit in there, I'm 6'6". I do appreciate that this does not have a shower curtain. Actually, these bow out and close shut. So it's a little bit bigger than the standard balcony ones actually. Toilet in the corner. All of your storage in here is gonna be in the closet here, and then a little bit more storage underneath. Now it is important to note that is the only bathroom in here. I have some families that prefer connecting balconies or connecting rooms as well, so they have two bathrooms. Personally, I love this because of the space. So in here, you're gonna have a couch that pulls out into a double bed. So this would be the first 2 bedding configurations that we're gonna see in here. You've got a chair and a small ottoman as well. Now let me take you into the second bedroom. Now, one of my favorite features I wanted to point out is the door. So there is a door that shuts completely to give this more privacy. You've got closet storage up and down here, and you've got 2 bunk beds. So this is that perfect configuration for kids, or depending on the situation you're looking for, it could be perfect for you as well. Now, before we head into the master, I wanted to point out that there are 3 separate temperature controls, one in the bedroom there, one in the living room, and then one in the master bedroom as well. Now, they have a curtain that pulls shut for privacy, but there isn't a separate door here. Let's head on in and you can see this is the master bedroom. On either side, you're gonna have a small side table. There's a little bit of storage in there. There aren't any plugs, so I always bring an extra battery backup. I charge it during the day, and then I can use it to charge my phone at night. You've got the phone on one side, 2 reading lamps, and also 2 lamps as well. You've got another flat panel TV, so you can watch 2 different things. Always a great fit when you're traveling with the family. Over here, you're gonna find more storage. This is essentially identical to the storage out in the living room. Hanging storage up above, shelves up and down there, and then those pop down for a little bit more storage as well. Keep in mind that this bed can be split apart, so you can actually have a double bed in the living room, 2 twins here, and 2 twins in the other room as well. You've got a vanity / writing desk right here as well. You've got a Euro plug, 2 US plugs. I always bring an extra Euro adapter so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You've got storage in here, and there's one on the other side as well. You see that temperature control right there. And then you've got your hair dryer and storage up and down as well. Now in this particular cabin, you're gonna have 3 large porthole windows looking out the front of the ship. I love that. Now keep in mind, there are quite a few different configurations for this exact category. We happen to be on the 8th deck right now. Now, when you're ready to book your next Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea cruise, reach out to HarTravel. We are your luxury cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Royal Caribbean Group, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, or family at an incredible value.